How to turn on speaker on Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. So first of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Here on the left top, you'll be able to see two different icons of mic and speaker. Now in order to enable it, you must simply tap on the speaker icon, and here there are different options like team, pre-made and disable. So you can simply turn on team. Now you'll be able to hear what others says. Now if you even want to communicate, you can turn on the voice and you can turn on team. So after you do this, you'll be able to easily communicate and play together with other friends and teammates in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.